What does the term Opinio Juris mean in the context of climate damages from war? Understanding this legal concept reveals how nations recognize responsibilities for environmental harm during conflicts. Opinio Juris is Latin for an opinion of law. In international law, it signals that countries treat a behavior as a legal duty, not just a habit. This belief creates binding customary laws. When states act with Opinio Juris, they acknowledge an obligation that must be respected by others. It's a cornerstone in deciding if certain environmental protections during war are legally required. When it comes to climate damages from war, Opinio Juris determines whether states accept responsibility for environmental harm caused during conflict. If countries believe they must avoid or repair such damage, this belief forms the basis for legal norms. Without widespread recognition, climate harm might be overlooked in war laws. But with Opinio Juris, states signal that protecting the environment is a legal duty even in conflict. Today, as climate change worsens, Opinio Juris plays a crucial role in holding countries accountable for war-related environmental damage. Recognizing this legal obligation helps push for stronger treaties and reparations. It also influences international courts deciding cases on war's climate impact. Essentially, Opinio Juris turns emerging concerns into binding legal standards, making it harder for states to ignore climate damage in conflicts. Opinio Juris is more than a legal term. It's the belief that shapes how nations accept responsibility for climate damages from war. Understanding it shows how international law evolves to meet modern challenges. If you want more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us daily.